Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel Rescoli by Carlo. This is the second part of our bureau transformation. If you haven't seen the first part, just click on the videos underneath this one and you will find all the process we went through until we had the canvas ready for redecoration. Now, what do we have here? Well, first and foremost here is our royal garden, which is a mannequin that we did some time ago, and now it's leaving us to go to a happy couple where they will enjoy it in their living room. And here next to me there is the bureau. And all the colors, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 colors that we are going to use to blend this piece of furniture. This is going to be a bit quirky. In the previous episode, you saw us discuss what are we going to do and which parts we're going to leave in wood. So mainly follow part 1 and then come back to this one and see the process. So, no more talking, and now basically we're starting the whole process of blending the colors. And then, of course, at the end of it, we're going to use a lot of browning wax to make it look really, really cool. So, let's start. And finally, this is our great reveal. What did we do here? We did a lot of things. You've seen us working with many colors, many textures, and browning and clear wax just to define a little bit more the areas where we wanted to look a bit on the brighter side. We fixed the knobs again before We gave them a lot of sanding and cleaning so that they are once again shiny but not too shiny. We added another knob here, and the legs and the arms here we left in wood. We sanded it really well, and then we gave a lot of browning wax and they look stunning. Now the reveal for the inside is this. What did we do here? We used some decoupage paper, the vintage one, but when we purchased this piece of furniture it didn't have the boxes. So what did we do? We found this box which is basically as old, or it may be even older than this bureau, and we cut accordingly, and instead of painting it or doing any other thing, we gave it a deep clean and then a lot of browning wax, and we left it in brown. So we have the brown, the wood here, the wood here, and the wood here. And usually when we do the drawers we paint on the sides, but at first we wanted to do the stenciling, like the raised stenciling we have here, but then we decided otherwise, and we just gave a good clean and a good sized browning wax. So this is our bureau. We were thinking of naming it the Lady of Shalott, but we're not sure yet, so keep it to yourselves. Well, that's all for this episode. This is the second part. Mind you, the next episode will be all on how we did the inside of this bureau. So you'll see us doing the decoupage, fixing the shelving and everything. So mainly you will see us do also the inside of the bureau. Until we meet again, thank you very much for following us. If you've come across this video and my face for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is RescoliByCarlo. And if you follow us through other social media and you see these videos, don't forget to subscribe as well and push the bell button on the side. That way, when we have new videos or new shorts, that means short videos, not my shorts, it's winter, it's hot, you'll be notified with our videos. Until next time, ta-ta. And finally, we are ready for this great reveal. You have seen our process. Forget it.